In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with your clothing brand. How to create a clothing brand and be never be broke again. Get me? There are many ways you can make money. You can make money through clothing. It's like this clothes here, first shirts that is here, 12 colors. They make a lot. You can customize it, create whatever you want to do. You can just like write anything. Let's say for the sake of the video, let's add a text. Let's write TMM. Just an example. Just an example. TMM, bigger letter. TMM. It's more in the center. You have to be creative. Make it big. And do it back. No, sorry, front. Can put it. Can like do it as you want. Can put the price. If it's €26, don't do like me. Do it better. Be more creative. You can add image. You can add. You can customize it, writing a phrase, a quote, anything. And this is the price you can put. You can like, for example, €50. The profit will your profit will be 27. €100 profit will be 68. €1,000 your profit will be 815. But don't put it for €1,000. No one will buy. I don't think someone will buy because you're not a big brand like that as 100 million, or I don't know. It's rare. It's not, no, it's not realistic. So just put it for like 10. No, 10 is too low. 15? No, no, 18, no. Put it for 30. Let's be realistic. 30. Yeah, your profit can be 10. So you can make €10 for each shirt you publish. Once you preview it, you click on continue, preview it and all. Let's have some issues. Yeah, yeah, as simple as that. You can then you click on launch. I don't want to launch this dress because you see how nice it is. TMM. This is how you can like open your clothing brand. You copy the store. Keep copy this the store link. Put it on whatever you want to promote. Either it's an article or Quora, YouTube, TikTok, anyone. Name it all. Get me? So let's don't want to make this video long, so I just want to go to in detail. Interest, you can write how to start a clothing brand from scratch. They'll teach you there. But yeah, I'm just giving you ideas on what you can do. I can still create a video for you from scratch. How to create shirts and all. So bro, you can make thousands. You imagine 100 people buy your clothes every day. That's $1,000 every day. So bro, listen to me. Take action. Go to link in my description if you want to know other side, also know other ways to make money online and to escape your broke life. As for me, I'm out.